Hey, how's it going? So today we're unboxing this toy 1911 or P18C. So we'll have to wait and see. Um, this is based off a pretty common Glock 18 with a switch. Of course, this is a fake toy gun. It has a silencer suppressor on it, which is kind of cool. Let's see what else we have here. Okay, doesn't even mark. I'm pretty sure this should be the Glock model, but I hope it's in blue and not pink. Here's the barcode here. QIANTO. There's a soft ejection soft bullet toy gun. Manual loading. Okay, well, let's go ahead and unbox this here. Again, this is a fake toy gun for kids. I'm gonna have to get my knife here. Okay, so well, it is the pink P18C. Okay, look at that. So I would say this is about maybe 10% bigger than what I remember a Glock feels like a Glock 19. Okay, so here's the ammo, the soft rubber bullets here. So let's go and pop them out of their container here. This is the first time I unbox something like this on the channel, so hopefully YouTube will not go crazy on me. Alright, so what we have here was that 10 rubber bullets. Okay, what else we have in here? Oh, look at that suppressor, which is just basically a tube. So I'll just kind of stick on right there. Oh, one beautiful pink Glock. Okay, so here's the release. Of course, it's not gravity release. Well, it could be. Let's see. Okay, gravity release. Yeah, it's plastic, as you can tell. What else we have in here? Some instructions in Chinese, and this is the real part that matters here, because this is what housed those rubber tips. So let's go ahead and pop these open here. That's cool. You flip it to here and then push. Flip to there and push. Okay. I'm just gonna skip the instructions. And now let's stick these in. Okay. That wasn't too bad. I wonder if this will hold all 10 rounds. I hope I could push it all the way in, and it shouldn't matter. But we'll try it without reading instructions. Oh, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have one extra round to lose. 2 extra rounds if we lose, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I guess we got 2 spares just in case you lose them. So now we'll put them in here. So this is pretty thin plastic, so you gotta be careful, especially right here in the middle. So, you know, just don't squeeze them too hard. Oh wow, you actually feel the spring tension. That's cool. Oh yeah, it's getting tighter. Okay, last one. Okay, there you go. Put the rounds in. See, the spring is really tight down there. Okay. Oh, 7. So I put 8 in here. Oh, okay. Well, if it's 8, you know, this says 7 right here. Okay. Oop, oop. Okay, not bad. Okay, so let's rack around. Okay, you can see the bullet right there, rubber bullet. Okay, and let's try and see what happens. Woo! Okay, well that bullet went flying. The rubber tip really went flying somewhere. So I'm gonna have to go hunt. Oh no, found it. Okay. Wow, okay, well that shoots a lot better than I thought. So of course it doesn't eject around, so let's see what happens after. Cool. See, it's kind of jiggle maybe. I may have to kind of get used to this, and then I'll figure out exactly how to get this in correctly. But yeah, that's pretty cool. The picture looks better, but this still feels, you know, it's cool. It's definitely, it does shoot pretty strong. I give it that. Here we go. Ready? I'll shoot inside the box here. Maybe I let go. Oh, maybe that's, oh yeah. So you just have to kind of, just like a real one, just yank and let go. And it, yeah, it reloads. No problems. Well, I gotta say it is pretty fun. I'll give it that, that's for sure. So, what do you think? My pink Glock 18 with a suppressor? Not bad. Let's see if it'll still drop. Okay, I won't drop now because it's under tension a little bit. But, you know, I mean, it's plastic. It does feel good. You do get some of the same motions. I mean, I wish they'd give me a laser, maybe. But hey, you know, it's just something fun to play with, I guess, you know, for kids. Yeah. What do you think? Pretty cool. Just like any type of projectile type thing, don't point this in a dangerous direction. Point somewhere safe. Don't point at something that you're not willing to, you know, destroy. Even though it's a toy, it can still hurt. As you can see, this does come out pretty fast. So, you know, it's a toy, but even though they put the name toy on it, it's still something that can harm you, right? So wear eye protection. Just don't point at anything dangerous. Always point in a safe direction. Keep your finger off the trigger. Just index it if you want. Yeah. And as you can see, there's no real safety of any kind. So always treat it as loaded. And if you're just not playing with it, just go ahead and unload it. Oh wow. Okay, there you go. That's cool. It has kind of like a real what do they call that? A deflector to throw out the round whenever it's done. It has a little clamp right here, as you can see. That's pretty cool. I mean, a Glock doesn't really have that, right? A real Glock has it on the side up here. The extractor is up here on top, right? I think that's how AKs are. But it works, and it works pretty darn good. You see this chrome little sticker is starting to come off already, but that's not a big deal. Alright. So it's a pretty quick video. Like, share, subscribe. I don't know if I can actually monetize this one, but I'll see you on the next one. Again, this is from QIANTO. And this is the P18C Science and Education mode for ages 7 and up. Kind of wish I got this one. That's pretty cool. I like that one. That 1911. All right. Leave it there.